Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the very crucial case which is filed by the wife against her husband or her husband's relatives. Okay, so this case is related to section 498A of IPC, which is referred in section 85 of the BNS. Okay, भारतीय न्याय संहिता. So this case is about this section says about the cruelty against women which is done by her husband or her husband relatives like father-in-law, mother-in-law, sister-in-law, brother-in-law. Okay, so this case is a very crucial and very dangerous for the husband or his relative. So what I do if my wife file a case under section 498A of IPC or 85 of BNS against me or my relatives? First of all, when the police officer sent a notice, section 41 of CRPC, which is repeal section 35 of BNSS, Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, which says that a police officer have the power to send a notice to the accused person for personal appearance before the police station for preliminary inquiry about the case. So when this notice is served to me, I contract with a lawyer and also contract with a lawyer as a criminal lawyer who is specialist in the criminal field for handle my case. Okay, so then I also contract with the ASI who sent me this letter for my case. So we contract with this ASI, assistant sub inspector of this police station for take for take an appointment to meet with him or her for meeting about this case and comply with this notice. Okay, if I do not comply with this notice, I cannot take the bail from the ACGM. ACGM does not give the bail. Because of that, I do not comply with this notice. This is a main factor. A main accused cannot take bail without making comply with the notice of 41 or 35 of BNSS. So it is a main factor for taking bail. And other factor is that we should contact with a good criminal lawyer for help me to taking bail in this case, and also contract with this lawyer every time and contract with this police officer who handling this case for further investigations. Because of that, this case is not a least serious, it is a serious case, and it is also a cognizable case and non-bailable case. Okay, but there have some judgment and some guideline which gave by this Honorable Supreme Court of India in the case of Lalita Kumari versus NCT of Delhi. Supreme Court said that the police officer have not any power. In Lalita Kumari versus NCT of Delhi, Supreme Court held that the police officer ASI have not any power to register an to register a FIR against a person without conducting a preliminary inquiry against this person. Okay, and also in a case, Supreme Court held that the police officer have not any power to take an FIR and complaint case against husband relatives under section 498A if the husband relatives does not do or command or commit any offense related to demand of dowry to the wife. Okay, so we should remember and we should do the best thing which is helpful for us in the legal scenario. Okay, thank you.